For over 2 weeks straight, we've been cleaning this place, the Brick Community Stadium, for both the upcoming 25-26 seasons of Wigan Athletic Football Club and their Rugby League counterparts, the Warriors, which has been a humongous job to complete, yet after doing a lot of surveying, brushing, treating, pressure washing and going around the entire grounds in a cherry picker to remove every blemish, I can finally say that this place is looking a lot brighter than it was before. Sorting out a place of this scale hasn't been easy, but I personally couldn't be more pleased with the service we've provided and the finished outcome. And it's only going to benefit all the people who are coming here for a match day or an event. Now, if your building is in need of a high level clean, or you require any type of commercial cleaning solution, then why not check out our website for more details or get in touch with us directly to see how we can help. Make sure to give us a follow to see our next cleaning project. See you in a bit.